Well, today we started just like yesterday with sunny skies. As we got into the afternoon, we bubbled up a little bit more cloud cover, but still very bright, still very hot across the area. 94 right now, winds out of the south at 13. Dew points, so have dropped into the mid 60s. That makes it a little better because we're not dealing with those extremely high heat indices that we could find this time of the year. Looking at the month of July, we've talked about this throughout the week, how, the summer sort of sputtered along. We had a little burst of heat in June, and then for the first half of July, heat was there at times, but it really wasn't an issue until we got into this past weekend. And starting on Saturday, highs have been over 90 degrees. So we've gone 6 straight days with highs over 90, and today we hit 94 again. That makes today also the 15th day out of the summer season that we've hit 90 degrees, which is really, to be honest, right on track. I mean, that's what you would expect in a typical summer. Now, looking at conditions across the area, while it's very quiet here, in our area to the north, we do find some active weather. Showers and thunderstorms stretching from northwest Missouri back into Kansas and northwestern Oklahoma. That's tied to a pocket of unsettled weather. We were talking about that throughout the week, how we have the summer ridge, but there's going to be that pocket of unsettled weather that moves around the west side and then north side of the ridge. That's happening right now. And it's also generating a little bit of a boundary just northwest of our area. Now, as far as the heat headlines, heat advisory, we knew it was going to continue through today. Well, it got extended through Tuesday of next week because conditions are going to stay hot. We're going to find heat index values that will likely make it to at least 100, if not approach 105 degrees each afternoon into early next week. As far as rain chances, given the pattern, that ain't going to happen across southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. That blue color right there, there's our legend. That's where we've got a pocket of dry atmospheric air. That's really hindering any chance for not only rain, but also clouds. But further north, this is where we've got a very juicy air mass loaded down with moisture, kind of tied to that boundary. And this is where we have scattered showers and thunderstorms. And it's going to be that same zone that has scattered showers and thunderstorms and cloud cover throughout the day on Friday. So temperatures are going to be cooler here versus what we find further south, where I expect another hot and dry day. Our hour-by-hour forecast looking interesting overnight tonight because storms to the north could send a boundary south at least to almost I-44, and with that boundary, more clouds and maybe even a shot at a shower. Again, north of I-44 tomorrow. That's going to be the same zone that will likely see more clouds throughout the day in general, and also will have the best chance at a spotty shower or storm. I think rain chances south of the interstate will be very, very low. About 73 for a low, with highs tomorrow ranging from the low to mid 90s northwest to mid 90s southeast. I think we get up to 93 or 94 for a high in Springfield. Heat index values topping out around 100 in the afternoon. Weekend conditions, I think we will find a bit more cloud cover. We'll probably find skies becoming partly cloudy both Saturday and Sunday, and there will be a chance at a spotty shower storm both days. Early next week looks quiet for the most part, but still looks like Wednesday is going to be our switch day. As we end the month of July, we're going to have a pattern shift with more of a trough in the east that opens the door for cool fronts to move south, and that also opens the door to higher rain chances and maybe most importantly, cooler afternoon highs. Looks like by Thursday they'll fall back into the upper 80s. Mike?
All right, gives us some hope. Thank you.